Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome, food lovers. Today, we're exploring the delightful world of balatong, a true gem of Filipino cuisine. This isn't just a simple mung bean stew, it's a deeply comforting and incredibly nourishing dish, perfect for any occasion. Balatong beautifully blends hearty protein, often pork, with fresh, vibrant greens, creating a wonderfully balanced meal. It's surprisingly easy to prepare, and we're here to guide you through every delicious step. To begin our balatong journey, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of dried mung beans and about 1/4 pound of sliced pork belly. Prepare a small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 ripe tomato. These create our aromatic base. A tablespoon of fish sauce is crucial for authentic taste. Finally, have a cup or 2 of fresh leafy greens ready, like malunggay or spinach, to complete your nourishing stew. Now, let's get into the cooking process. First, thoroughly rinse your dried mung beans, then soak them in water for at least 30 minutes. This helps them soften. While they soak, sauté your minced garlic and sliced onions in a pot until fragrant. Next, add your diced pork belly, cooking until lightly browned. Finally, stir in your chopped tomatoes, letting them soften and release their delicious juices. Once your base is ready, drain the soaked mung beans and add them to the pot. Pour in about 6 cups of water, bringing the mixture to a rolling boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to a gentle simmer, covering the pot. Cook for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until the mung beans are wonderfully tender. Finally, stir in your fish sauce and the fresh leafy greens, cooking just until they are perfectly wilted. Your delicious balatong is now ready to be served. This hearty stew is best enjoyed hot, straight from the pot, with a generous serving of freshly steamed white rice. For an added touch, consider garnishing your bowl with some crispy fried garlic or even a drizzle of spicy chili oil. Balatong is truly a simple, yet deeply satisfying meal, perfect for a comforting dinner. Enjoy every warm, nourishing spoonful of this delightful dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.